today's news, people are happy to celebrate Donald's 90th birthday. And people are even making fan videos of it, especially crossovers. Let's go to... What is that?
What's what?
Look out, there's something going towards you.
Where? Okay.
He just has the hiccups. Oh, okay, look. Is there actually a cure for him?
Oh, I've seen this before. You all cured?
I am? I'm cured?
Wait a minute. It really cures him?
Yes, this anti-hiccup feather is what our dad made to cure someone.
So you're Sir Clyde's little brother, eh?
Just call me Semi-Sir Clifford.